Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video that I purchased it online. So let's go into the video to see the product. I'm going to open it. Bought this mic for the purpose of taking video of a YouTube channel. Guys, I bought this from Amazon. Guys, the brand is Smashtronics. It's a wired mic and they're given a pouch for storing it. Guys, there's a collar clip to put it in the Guys, you can put the collar clip in a collar and speak while taking the video. That will be good for use for your video. Guys, now let's see what's in the back side. So, specification, you can see it here. So, compatibility with smartphones like Android and Apple. Guys, this is compatible with desktops and laptop. And here's the instruction what we should insert the mic. The packaging includes lavalier microphones. Guys, this is the packaging. Package includes, you can see. So let's now open it and check what's inside. Guys, let's open it. I'm opening it. So here's it. Guys, so this is the lavalier microphone. So I'm opening it. Wow, it's so nice. You can see. This is only the collar clip. So let's see what's the next item. So now we are going to open this pouch. So this is only the pouch. So nice quality. So let's open it. So this is an wire. This is an adapter. TRRS adapter. So this is the cable. This is an extender cable. If you need additional length for the mic, guys, we have 4 items: the adapter, the extender wire, the mic, and the carry case. Guys, I will use the mic and share you the reverse. Guys, if you need this link, I'll put it in the description, and please comment if you need this link in the comment box. Hope you all like this video. Please like, share, comment in the comment box how is this brand. So thank you for watching our video, and click the bell button for video, and bye.